One of the best features of owning a Garmin smartwatch is that you can connect your account to Strava. Once connected, you will be able to sync your activities on the platform and connect with friends who use some other smartwatch. Without any delay, let's start with how to connect Garmin to Strava. First, open the Garmin Connect app. Tap on the hamburger icon on the corner. Scroll below and open Settings. Now, tap on the Connected Apps option. Here, you will find all the apps and services you have connected your Garmin account to. Tap on Strava. On the next screen, you will be presented with terms of service and information about which data will be synced. Tap on Agree to proceed. After agreeing, a web page should open up, asking to authorize Garmin to connect your account to Strava. Tap on the Authorize option to finish the setup process. After that, you should be able to see this connection status screen in the Garmin Connect app. Now, there are some problems that you might run into if you are a first-time Strava user. You might find that some data like heart rate not syncing to the Strava. To fix that issue, you would need to install the Strava app on your smartphone. Once you are in the app, open the settings using this icon in the corner. Scroll down and look for the Data Permissions option. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap on the Health Related Data option and a pop-up will appear. Make sure it is set to Allow. If it is set to Decline, your heart rate data won't sync to your Strava account. That's all you had to do, and now all your activities will be synced to Strava account along with heart rate data. Now, if you have done all that and still facing issues while syncing, then I would recommend checking Strava status. I will be leaving the link for the same in the description below. Using the website, you can check whether or not upload feature is working on Strava right now. Sometimes workout sync on Strava can be delayed by 2 to 3 hours and even more. So don't panic. Give the watch 1 to 2 days before trying to troubleshoot the issue. It is a pretty common issue on Strava, and that's why there is even a dedicated site for the general public. So guys, did you find the video useful? If you did, then show us your appreciation using the like and subscribe button. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.